Do you ever feel like you might be swimming in toxins? Toxins in our water, our air, and even in the food we eat. And have you wondered, is there something more I can do about all of those toxins? Welcome back. I'm Dr. Joanette, your longevity expert and the creator of the Longevity Switch. And the answer is yes, there is something more. Today, we are creating a detox smoothie that you can drink every day to help your body detox. So let's get detoxing. To get started, I have a blender jar. It's a twister jar for my BlendTech blender. And to that, I am adding all kinds of amazing detox ingredients. Spinach for anti-inflammation, and it is also an antioxidant. To that, I'm also adding an avocado for healthy fats, half of an avocado, and some frozen cauliflower. Cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower and broccoli contain spermidine, which is a substance that activates autophagy. Autophagy is our body's cleanup crew. You can think of it as our body's way of detoxing itself, but sometimes it just needs a little bit more help. Then it gets a little overwhelmed. Sometimes we get overwhelmed with the junk in our life. Our body sometimes gets overwhelmed with all of the things that we put into our body, whether intentionally or unintentionally. So cruciferous vegetables help activate autophagy. In addition to that, we have some flaxseed meal, wheat germ, little fresh garlic, a small clove. For the full recipe, as well as the amounts, go to my website, growwithdrjoanette.com. Scroll right down to the links below, and you'll be able to go out to my recipe, out to my website, as well as finding links to most of the ingredients that we are using in our recipe today. This is a little turmeric with pepper, some allulose for a little sweetener. The allulose is optional. I like a little sweetness in my smoothies. Blueberries. This is an antioxidant, great for your brain. Also an anti-inflammatory, great for your brain. And a half of a lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C, great for your immune system. So this smoothie is also a great immune boosting smoothie, in addition to being a detox smoothie. I just squeeze that fresh lemon juice right in there, all the good vitamin C and ingredients. And lastly, need a little extra liquid in the form of some delicious fresh brewed green tea. About a cup of it, organic green tea. We are ready to blend it all up. This smoothie always kind of reminds me of chocolate milkshake with dark chocolate bits in it. I don't know why there's no chocolate in it, but it just kind of has that milk chocolatey looking look to it, which I love. It's amazing how we can trick our brain into thinking. Now, it doesn't taste like chocolate. I got to warn you. It actually tastes very different than chocolate. Delicious, but different. So there you have it, a delicious detox smoothie. If you're wondering, will it work for me? Drink it every morning for 7 days and see if you feel or notice a difference. Let's give it a taste. Creamy, smooth. It just tastes like fresh from the garden. There's this natural, organic deliciousness to it. It feels like it's going to do some great things for detoxing my body. So you might be wondering, how healthy is it? Does it spike my blood sugar if you are trying to stay on a keto or low-carb diet? Let's take a look. I have a continuous glucose monitor here, and let's take a look at the graph. When I drank it, 1 hour after I drank it, that should be the spike, if there is one, and then 2 hours later, where it goes back to baseline. When I drank the smoothie, my glucose started out at 93. 1 hour later, which would have been the spike of after I drank it, my glucose only went up to 95. And by the 2 hours, it was back down to 93. There was no significant change in my glucose levels in my blood after drinking the smoothie, meaning that it is a healthy ketogenic drink that won't spike your sugar. Thank you for watching and also for signing up for notifications and subscribing. Go to my website, growwithdrjoanette.com, to find this recipe and so many more healthy longevity recipes to support you on your healthy longevity journey. And we'll see you next time on the Dr. Joanette channel for more real talk and science-backed tips and techniques for healthy longevity.